Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make zero gravity and grab. It's an exciting way to transform your levels and offer players a completely new challenge. We'll dive into how you can manipulate the game's physics to create areas where gravity is significantly reduced or even completely absent. This allows for incredible floating mechanics and opens up a world of creative possibilities for your custom maps. Get ready to defy expectations and build truly unique experiences. The key to creating zero gravity and grab lies with a special item, the gravity block. You'll find this essential tool within the game's level editor. Once placed, this block allows you to customize the gravitational force within its area of influence. You can set the gravity to a very low value or even completely eliminate it, making objects and players float. Remember to adjust its dimensions to perfectly encompass your desired weightless space. To implement your zero gravity zone, first, select the gravity block from your editor's palette and place it where you want the effect to begin. Next, access its configuration settings. Here, you'll find options to modify the gravitational strength. Set this value to 0 or a very low number to achieve the desired weightless effect. Finally, resize the block to ensure it covers the entire area you envision as your zero gravity environment. To make your zero gravity levels truly stand out, consider integrating other elements. For instance, using grapple blocks within a zero-G zone allows players to pull themselves around, adding a fun, dynamic movement option. Bouncy walls can also enhance navigation, providing exciting rebounds. Experiment with placing various objects that float, creating unique puzzles and obstacles. These additions will make your zero-gravity creations even more engaging and memorable for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.